20 BMW 330i right here. The customer came through, he wanted a little bit more noise, so muffler delete and resonator delete. This is a particular job because that resonator is oval. I'll show you right now, but of course we take care of it. If you're in South Florida, come check us out. Davie and Oakland Park location. This is the resonator right there on the floor. Like I said, you see that? Oval. I don't know why BMW does this. They make it way harder for us fabricators to get the job done. This is the muffler right there. It's basically trash. There's not much resale value to this. You could attempt to sell it on eBay, but you're gonna be paying a ton in shipping costs. All right, let's check it out. We got the guys finishing up the job. This is where the muffler was. We installed that Y pipe after removing the muffler. The customer didn't want any tips, but again, you could always do that in the future. One step at a time, guys. You don't have to do everything at once. You get a little tips, you do the resonator, throw in an intake, whatever. And it's all available at gexhaust.com. Over here is where that resonator was right here. That's where you see that oval section. You have to cut it out. Any exhaust shop, obviously, if you come here, we'll make it happen. But every exhaust shop, if they're competent, should be able to do a job like this. So this should be a lot more aggressive. It should sound clean. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Also, in the descriptions, we are franchising. So there's a link over there that you could potentially own a G Exhaust turnkey operation. The profit margins are huge in this business, so go check those out, guys. All right, let me know what you think.